Good morning, guys. It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at XRP. Now, XRP not looking nice so far. Can't lie. XRP has not been looking nice. So, in this video, we shall be taking a good look at, okay, what is going on with XRP. I made it known to us yesterday that XRP needs to break above this resistance right here. Most importantly, 1.3484. We definitely needed to see XRP breaking above that resistance. And if XRP is not going to be breaking above that resistance, then I'm afraid that we are most likely going to see XRP pulling into this area at dropping into this area at 1.258. And you could see this seems to be the case. Going back to the 4 hours time frame, you could see we've gotten rejected from this resistance once more. Yes, once more, we've gotten rejected from this resistance. And with the look of things, I'm sure if you're an XRP holder, you are probably getting disappointed because with the look of things, Ethereum is holding much better than XRP. But we all know that, okay, long-term, XRP is definitely that project that you still need to trade, because left to me, I'm waiting for the right time to accumulate XRP. And I'm hoping that I'll start accumulating XRP from 0.875. Yep. 0.875. I'm hoping to start accumulating XRP from this level. And if XRP decides to be dumping much lower, I will still accumulate XRP from these levels right here. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the chart. So from the daily time frame, clearly right here, we could see XRP has been in a massive downtrend ever since. You could see clearly right here. So what should we expect from XRP right now? Should we expect these continuous pullbacks? Should we expect these continuous drawdowns from XRP or not? So I think at the end of the day, honestly, it all depends on XRP. It all depends on XRP. It could be that XRP is approaching major bottom right here, short term. Short term, it's approaching short-term bottom right here, which is 1.258. So it's best to expect that XRP's bottom is going to be $1.25, 1.258. Once we get to this level, we can now start rallying to the upside. This might be the case right now, whereby instead of me saying that, okay, the worst case scenario for XRP right now is 1.25, I would say that the worst case scenario for XRP is if we see XRP breaking below this major support at 1.258, retesting, and with a confirmation candle around here, then I can say we could see XRP dropping all the way down to $1.09. That is definitely when I will say this will be the worst case scenario for XRP. The moment XRP breaks below this level, retest, and with a confirmation candle, nah. That is definitely when things hell will definitely break loose for XRP community, the XRP community. So I think right now there is still hope, given the fact that if you look at XRP from the weekly time frame right here, though there is a week right here, and this week should never be overlooked. I kept on saying, if you've been following my YouTube channel for a very long time, you know I don't play with weeks like this. Once a week is long, this kind of long weeks right here, once a week is like this long, I always say that the market tends, or that particular crypto tends to fill those gaps to the downside. And this is where the bad news comes into play, whereby if XRP decides to fill this gap right here, and if XRP decides to fill this gap, we are most likely going to see XRP dropping all the way down to 1.092. That is just definitely how crazy things might get. And also, if you look at things right here, you could say that if we are not going to be finding, a major short-term bottom at 1.258, why we leave this level at 1.1, 0.96, 0.89, or 0.89 for the bear markets, then I would say that the moment we drop all the way down to this level, I might actually want to call this like XRP actually breaking major bottom or something like that. So I think with the look of things right now, the best thing to do right now is sit on your hands, wait for probably XRP finding major support around here. Yeah, but I still think that there is a possibility for XRP to still break into this resistance, find support around here, find major support and rally much higher. This is still a possibility to me. This is still a possibility to me. We could still break into this range and, break above this major high right here at 1.347. So this could also be another scenario right here for XRP. So without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Easter to each and every one of you guys. Peace out.